Okay, guys, so, hey, this is some news I have to tell you. Let me go to YouTube. So, you know this guy, Flamingo? He does good videos. Um, um, yeah, so, let me just, this guy, exactly. I'm earning him 3 cents. Yay. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know this guy? Go watch this video, please. I'll put this in the description. Alright, so yeah, that's just watch this video. It is incredibly funny. Um so on Roblox, let me show you. So let me just show you this. I have an idea. I had an idea for a video. Let me just get on the best thing. Load. I can be Flamingo. If I just go to body parts, so yeah, look, if I look at like if I put on these exact things and just get rid of Tweety Bird, I look exactly like him. So if this video gets 3 likes, I will do this. I will. I will dress up as Flamingo and do this for a prank. And I will even get 1,000 Robux just to change my name to Flamingo to Mr. Flimflam. But don't worry, I have an idea. I will get. I will actually buy a. I will actually buy that, and I might also. Felipe. Felipe. How many people have bought this? How many people have? Wait, this was made recently. Guys, let's see who this is, and also big news. I am going to get my YouTube channel name custom printed. Custom printed. Like 3D printed too. Dang it. Unexposed. What? How many people have bought this? Oh my god. Alright, well, this was only supposed to be news about how I can dress up as this beautiful man known as Mr. Flimflam and do some pranks and change my name to Mr. Flimflam. Don't worry, I have a hack for that. Here, wait, let me show you what I mean by this hack. So if I log out of my account, sign up, Mr. and whatever it can be. Dang it, my plan will not work. For any of you that don't know username ideas, genius. I shouldn't have done that. I've done weird things to my computer. Oh no. Yeah, well, that was just to show you that I can dress up as Flamingo on the great platform called Roblox. Just get 3 likes on this video or 3 comments saying, do it, and I will. Alright, bye!